everyone. For our discovery unit this term, we are looking at light and sound. Now, we're all very excited about this unit, and we're really hoping that whilst we're online learning, we can really make it something that you're going to enjoy. So, for our first lesson, our learning intention is I am learning about light. And to be successful, our success criteria is I can ask questions about how light is made, I can identify the different colours of the rainbow, and I can describe how to use colours to make new colours. So firstly, what is light? I'd like you to pause the video now and click on the link and watch an information video about what light really is. Alrighty, now that you've watched that video, there are some objects that actually give out light, and we call those sources or sources of light. Have a look at the pictures here. These objects are all sources of light. A campfire produces light. A torch and a lamp plus a globe, a light globe, produces light. A TV or a computer screen also produces light. These things are all sources of light. Now, quite often we can see shadows, and I'm sure when you're out walking in the sun, you have created lots of shadows on the pavement, and you can see how the sun makes those shadows. So the sun, of course, is a source of light, and shadows are created when that light source shines on an object, but there's an object in the way, like your body, and the sunlight cannot pass through it, and therefore creates a shadow. So let's have a look at some fun facts. The sun is a natural source of light. When an object blocks light, you get a shadow. And when sunlight enters through a raindrop, the colours in the light are split up, and that is what makes a rainbow. Do you know how many colours are in a rainbow? Maybe we'll learn that in a minute. But how do you make a rainbow? How do you split light into all of those colours? I'd like you to pause the video now so that you can work out how to do this. If you pause the video and click on the link, How to Make a Rainbow, you will see how it works, and there's a little experiment in there that you might also like to try. Stop the video now and come back to the lesson when you've had a go. So how was that? Did you make a rainbow with your glass of water? There are 7 colours in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now today we are also going to make a rainbow for ourselves. And it's going to look like this. Mrs. Van Bakel and I worked very hard in the classroom, and we have prepared a kit for you in your take-home backpack to make your own rainbow. So let me give you the instructions on how to do this. Okay, so the first things you are going to need from your pack is the pack with the cellophane and the black frame. You will also need your glue stick. As you can see, Miss Van Bakel is using her glue stick to stick the cellophane to her frame. But of course, you do need to get it in the right order. You need to have red at the top, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Glue the sides and stick your cellophane on nice and tightly. Be very careful not to rip it and stick it down firmly. You can see here that Miss Van Bakel decided that it would be easier for her to glue all the way around the outside of her frame and then put the pieces on. Now, when we do put the pieces on, we need to slightly overlap the cellophane so that we can see how the colours change when we put two colours together. Can you see how she's overlapping them here? She's doing a lovely, neat job sticking them all together. And if you needed a little help, you might like to ask one of your brothers or sisters, or perhaps mum or dad, or someone that's there that can help you. But you're grade ones now and grade twos, and I think that you can give this a red hot go and do it yourself. Can you see the overlapping and how the colours are changing? Mrs. Van Bakel decided she needed to also glue the bottom of the frame so that that bottom purple colour didn't flap around. And look at the beautiful finished product that we have up in our room. The sun streams through and we can see all the lovely colours. So make sure you overlap your cellophane, stick it up on a beautiful window, take a photo and post your rainbow to Class Dojo in the Discovery folder. Let's review our success criteria. I can ask questions about how light is made. I can now identify the different colours of the rainbow. And hopefully I can now describe how to use colours to make new colours. I'll give you a clue. Remember the overlapping in our cellophane? That's how we make new colours. Looking forward to seeing all your beautiful rainbows when you load them.